In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, before we start, you need to come over to Window in the top navigation and make sure you have Effect Control selected like this, and that's going to bring up this window with a bunch of editing options. Now, we do have the Scale tool over here that we can use to zoom in and out of our video. But this isn't actually cropping our video, it's just simply zooming. So in order to actually crop a part of your video, what you need to do is click on Window again in the top navigation, select Effects, and then in the Effects tab, just search for Crop. Then underneath Transform, you'll see this crop feature. Go ahead and drag that onto your video clip like this. Once you've dragged this onto your video, then scroll down the options in Effect Controls, and you'll now have this section called Crop. So what we're going to do is just adjust all of these percentages to exactly where we want to crop the video. Now, I'd recommend keeping all of these numbers the same, so if you crop 5% on the left, you also want to make sure you crop 5% on the top, right, and bottom as well. So I'm going to start by trying 10%, and I'm also going to do the same for the top, right, and bottom. You can make further adjustments to these if the crop is either too small or too big. So I'm actually going to reduce mine down to 5%. And then once you're happy with your selection, scroll back up to the Scale feature. And then we're just going to increase the scale here so it fits the full width of the screen like this. And as you can see, we've now successfully cropped our video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.